I said, let Trump send his troops. Has he sent any troops to Nigeria? I tell Donald Trump, I'm here now, tell him, you think I'm afraid? He said something, he could not do anything, so he came out to carry out his stupidity, his foolishness, his madness, a sick idiot, a criminal, a bandit himself. I am here, I am in my house. Where are they? Don't be fooled. Have you seen the disgraced? It's so shameful. Nobody can chase me from my house. I'm inside my house. And it's so shameful and laughable. Did you see? I saw the news on Arise. Innocent people's villages. They created craters, small leveling place, no life loss, nothing happened. There was nobody was harmed. There was no bandits in the vicinity where this bomb landed. Innocent civilians. It's so disgraceful and so shameful. So disgraceful and shameful. And what's happening in Lagos? Whether some of the drones, they said it comatose missile, which is a lie. What went to Sokoto, which the ordinary people in Sokoto had come to say openly were drones. And they did not harm any bandit. They were thrown in open fields where innocent people are. Open field endangering the life of innocent people. So I will not dwell on that because that is not what I came for, but I think it's shameful, and we believe these lies by these people. We believe these lies by these people. Well, I'm a Muslim. I'll continue to be a Muslim, and I'll continue to talk about Islam. I'm proud to be a Muslim. But what I'm talking about is about my people now. If you have any other proof of where the bomb landed and killed one bandit, one terrorist, just one terrorist, come here, I challenge you. Come here and show us the proof that one terrorist or one bandit was killed by a so-called bomb from the United States of America. So I'm not going to waste my time with you because you will realize how stupid you are when you start to peddle this nonsense. Where they come now? See, let me tell you, United States went to Vietnam and people fought them. United States, I am also looking for Bello Turuji. My people were the first to enter Bello Turuji stronghold. For over 14 years, nobody has stepped there. It is my men that entered the stronghold. You don't know anything, so you ask. You don't know anything, so you ask. So where is Bello Turuji? Me too, I'm looking for Bello Turuji. Me too. I tell Donald Trump, I'm here now, tell him, you think I'm afraid? Bombed where now? Trump came and bombed who? When food talk. This is why people, Igbos continue to disgrace themselves and make a nuisance of themselves. Let them point one bandit or one terrorist that was killed. Where the bomb landed as seen by everybody, and it's very shameful. Very, very shameful. Who got attacked? Nobody got attacked. It's just a faith-saving this thing. He said something, he could not do anything, So he came out to carry out his stupidity, his foolishness, his madness, a sick idiot, a criminal, a bandit himself. When you see he was talking, Ozokai, what is my shame about? Where are the American troops on our land? Which American troops had come to our land? I said, let Trump send his troops. Has he sent any troops to Nigeria? The Nigerian government said it collaborated with Trump. Nigeria as a sovereign nation had collaboration with another sovereign nation in solving a problem, but it, like you, will not understand. So the Nigerian government gave permission to troops setting their boot on Nigerian soil and somebody flying over to bomb where there is nobody. There's nobody where they bombed. Empty field. Where have they come now? Precision strike. Show me the precision strike. Sunday. Show me the precision strike now. We want to see pictorial evidence of your so-called precision strike. You want me to show you the precision strike you are talking about on an ordinary field? No. See your precision strike.
Glory be to God, there was no loss of life, no loss of property.
Your precision strike.
There is no any loss of life.
Look at it. Precision strike.
So you can see there is no any loss of life. It will just fire. Look.
Precision strike. Oh, Preci. Look at your precision strike. Oh, you can see your precision strike. This is authentic news from the supporters of Donald Trump. Arise News. So I challenge you now. So that is not an issue for us. We just thank God that they carry out face-saving measure and all the stuffs, and you people are so carried away. No problem. We are watching. We are all watching. See, my brother, I don't want to talk too much, but let me tell you one thing. If America wants where terrorists are, let them come to meet with us. I will take them there. Because I have gone there to fight with them. I'm fighting with them every day. We are fighting with them every day. Let them not just stay and say precision. I've just shown you what their precision strike is. It's laughable and shameful. So that's not what I want to talk about. Because I know that there are fools like you who will continue to exhibit your stupidity. So be eradicating when you are fighting with somebody. The person is a woman being, you are a woman being. You have limitation, he has limitation. You have your capability, he has his capability. It is also depends on the person you are working for. The willingness of the person you are working for to give you all the necessary tools with which to overwhelm the individual you are confronting. See, let me tell you. We don't need America. We don't need anybody. The federal government today, if the federal government give us all that we want, I assure you that insurgency will be a thing of the past in less than 1 year. Everywhere. We'll go everywhere and we'll get there. So it is what your clients give you that you can use. It is a guideline given to you by your client that you can pursue. You can't go beyond your brief. You can't go beyond your brief. That is the truth of the matter. If we are totally equipped to go in and get these people, wallahi billahi, the same way we chase them out of Abuja Road, we chase them out of everywhere. But you know, the rules of engagement are with the people who had given us this thing to go in after these people. That's the rule of engagement. We can't go beyond the rule of engagement. We are not on our own. They bring foreign military company and they do practically nothing. We as locals, we can do and we have done. Our record is very clear. Our record is there before everybody. Our record, our score sheet is before everybody. It's before everybody. Everywhere we had been to. It's before everybody. But if you don't give us all the necessary clearance for us to carry out our district, there's nothing we can do about it. We need the necessary clearance, and we are sure that in 1 year, if we are given the necessary clearance, we are not in competition with anybody. We are only complementary to the services rendered by other districts. So if the Nigerian military can be comfortable with foreign mercenaries, foreign military companies, they cannot be comfortable with their own people. That is it.